Mixed signals across assets today. Let us cut through the noise and focus on what matters most. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 14th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.16, gaining 0.32% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian Jaishankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, losing 0.04% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that crypto's next billion-dollar hacker may move at superhuman speed. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 160.19, gaining 0.03% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. USD SGD is trading at 0.7789, gaining 0.01% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7049, gaining 0.01% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian Jaishankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1479, gaining 0.15% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. The move in the dollar reflects reports that crypto's next billion-dollar hacker may move at superhuman speed. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. Currency markets are reacting to Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian Jaishankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. The move in the dollar reflects reports that crypto's next billion-dollar hacker may move at superhuman speed. Our near-term view on Euro to US dollar. With Euro to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.19 level above and $1.13 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.